Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. As you can see, it's a bit cold today. I just wanted to shoot my final video for 2020. It's been an interesting year actually, not just COVID wise, but there's a few other things that's happened for me this year. One, a newborn child joining my household, and secondly, I've had a lot of time away from work, being made on furlough for a little while, and now actually having to spend some time with my family, do some woodworking, and now I'm back into the swing of now going back to work and starting 2021. I can't believe it's gone so far this year, and the amount of things I've managed to achieve in this year has been amazing considering the situation. But the biggest of all things is my workshop. I've managed to get it reorganized. I've had a new layout. I've got it a bit more structured for my needs. From the video perspective, it's quite difficult. However, for workflow and efficiency, this is my new layout. There's a few new tools I brought this year as well, including my Scheppach bandsaw and also the drill press that I brought. Both not overly expensive, within budget, but it's great for what I need, so I can't complain really. So for 2021, what am I doing? I'm going to be upgrading the workshop slightly. I've got a new dust collection system going to go in. I haven't actually brought the shop vac yet, so I'm still doing a bit of research, but I will be doing the pipe work and the ducting and creating these blast gates and so forth, so hopefully it will be a little bit more dust free in this workshop. And the other thing is I've got a few projects that I want to do early next year, and they will be all recorded and on my YouTube channel, so feel free to subscribe and watch out for these future videos. For all the guys that have been supporting me throughout, I really appreciate the support. I think I'm currently on around 325 subscribers so far, and to be fair, it's amazing. For the content I create, it's not overly professional in a sense, but it's a start. I enjoy creating videos and I enjoy my woodworking and also just creating things in general. So yeah, it's an all-win for me, and to know people out there are watching my videos and liking my content is amazing. Finally, I just want to say thank you everyone, and I hope you all have a fantastic new year. Even though we still got the current COVID situation, let's all make whatever we can out of this year and next year the best we can. And I'll be sharing a lot of my content on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so keep an eye on my content, and I'll see you soon. Just before I shoot off, I just wanted to show you a quick tour of the current situation of my workshop, just so when we start next year you have an idea of what's been changed, what's going to be added and what's going to be new to the workshop. So here goes. So as you may have seen in previous videos, this is my new Scheppach bandsaw. It's done me wonders so far this year, and I'm really happy with that. Still got my Evolution table saw, but I got rid of the stand. It's on a rolling cart now, with storage underneath. In this corner I've got my Cyclone for my shop vac, and across that bench there will be some sort of pipe work to get a pipe in place for my sanding, and I will also run some piping down here for my table saw and bandsaw. As you can see, I've got 40mm waste pipe on the floor already, ready to go for next year. Underneath has got my Titan thickness planer and my shop vac, which is what I'm going to be upgrading. Other than that, my tool wall still as it is. A few things have been added, but other than that, it's pretty much the same on this end with the miter saw and my new drill press. I need to go through all this spare hardwood offcuts and maybe just get rid of a few, or just give it out to whoever needs it in a sense. But other than that, yeah, this is the workshop for now, and we should hopefully see some improvements for next year. One more final thing before I shoot off. Some of the tools I have brought this year, I have done some unpacking and initial reviews, so if you're interested, check out those videos, and please remember to subscribe, like and share, and thank you and have a good New Year's.